Hello, everyone. This is Nasir Qureshi, Realtor Daddy from Houston, Texas, on Wisdom Wednesday TV show. Once again, by demand, hot topic, another hot guest. Actually, we are honored to have her again. She was my first guest, Amal, loan officer, mortgage officer, and good to have you again. Thank you for your time, Amal. How you doing?
Thank you, Nasir. Thank you. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Fantastic. So, you started this show. You were the first honorable guest of this show. It's so good to have you because you are so knowledgeable and such an expert in what you do. So, tell our audience that who are you? What's your name? What do you do? Where are you from?
Okay, so my name is Amal, and I'm a loan officer and also branch manager in Security National. I do loans. I'm originally from Palestine, Middle East, and I moved here like 20 years ago. Okay, so all what I do is mortgages for sure. And I'm so happy to be in this show with you. And I'm so happy to be like I was the first person like being in your show. This is an honor for me.
Thank you so much. And we have done several transactions together, and I know you're my go-to loan officer. You help me and my team a lot. So, um, tell us, you mentioned to me about this special new kind of loan, and I myself, I'm familiar with a lot of loans and things like that, and taken several courses. And this one, when you were telling me, it really got my attention, and I really want you to tell us what is this new loan, how this is different.
It is very unique program actually, and it's very new. And the only thing that you need to know that just us in Security National, we offer this kind of program. So this is very unique. Okay. This program is like I will not say rent to own because when you actually I say rent to own, that's mean actually you pay the rent and then the landlord will pay his mortgage and that's it, we're done, right? He may give you some equity here and there, it depends on the agreement you have with the landlord, right? This is a little bit different, okay? This one, there is, I will explain it. I'll try my best to explain it in a simple way, okay? Because it seems so complicated, but it's really not, okay? So there's three people involved in this transaction. Is the borrower, the lender, which is us, Security National, and another lender actually will be involved as well. Okay, their name is Arrival. Okay, so this Arrival kind of they like we will say it. I will summarize it with a kind of co-signer. It's kind of co-signer. Okay, he guaranteed the loan for Security National. Okay, so this Arrival will be on the title. Okay, the Arrival will be on the title. And then that we're gonna qualify the client based on income, credit also. But this is the good thing. Okay, this program really good for the people has bad credit score because this program they can take 500 and above. So if you actually 500, 505, 510, you still qualify for this program. The second one, if you are self-employed, okay, and you don't claim your income tax, okay, and you don't have a 20% down payment to put as a down payment, this program, they actually look at the last 3 month bank statement from your business and you qualify with the 3.5 down payment. You just put 3.5 down payment as self-employed. Okay. So this is amazing as well. And also the people, their ratio is high because this program, the ratio can be up to 60 ratio. So this is amazing, right? So if you have bad credit, if you have a lot of debt, and also if you didn't have enough money to put down payment as self-employed. Okay. So this is the three benefit for this program. But let me tell you this, okay? When I said Arrival is actually the co-signer or like they kind of guaranteed the loan, right? So what happened, like they will say, oh, so actually we don't own the house, right? This is the way how the people think, right? But this is not true. You are owning the house, okay? Because if you actually decided to refinance, okay, or sell the house, okay, after 2 years or after 6 months, okay, so you can be on the title, you actually have the equity, not the lender, not arrival in this case, right? You have, so every month you pay your mortgage, okay? This payment will go toward your mortgage, okay? It will not go to your rent anymore, okay? But at the same time, you are not on the title, okay? The arrival is the actual lender will be on the title. And the only way for you to be on the title is to refinance, okay? This is the thing, right? Let's say we refinance within a year, okay? You already built equity in the house, okay? You already built equity, and the house is most likely will, will maybe the price gonna be higher, right? Because you know how the market, in especially in Texas, everywhere the houses go higher, not lower. So you already have equity 20%, hopefully. So when you refinance, you will not have an issue. Oh, I have to bring 20% down payment, or like all this drama, right? It's gonna be, should be smooth closing, right? And also at the same time, you will have time to work on your credit. You will have to time to work in paying off your debt. So this during this time, you do have some homework to do. The things that prevent you to take regular traditional loan, okay? We should work on this thing so it gets you qualified for the regular loan in one point. Anytime they can sell the house anytime, there is no restriction in any way, and the
Mm.
down payment.
So Amal, as you were explaining us, so 500 and plus credit score, uh, and then good for self-employed as well, or freelancer, gig worker, things like that. Challenge credit and 3.5% down. Correct?
Yeah, that is correct. Yeah,
This is awesome. This is awesome. And only your company, mortgage company, is doing
that's
this.
what I'm aware of. We're the only lender offer this one.
This is fantastic. And we going to so now can the down payment assistance work in
No,
this or
no,
not? No,
no.
no down payment. 3.5% solid, right?
They have to bring 3.5 down payment. That's
A-
correct. Yeah.
and plus some closing costs, right?
That
Plus some,
is correct.
which can
Yeah,
be negotiable between the realtors and things like that.
that
Okay.
is correct. Yeah.
And only Texas or any other
No,
states is
everywhere, like everywhere,
nationwide, right? I know
nationwide. Yeah,
I know you are also licensed in multiple tens of states as a mortgage officer, correct?
that's correct. Yeah.
Good, good. So now the common question that we everyone ask realtors and any mortgage officers about the interest rates and things like this. What are your, can you touch up on that a little bit? What are the interest rates and what are your predictions in the near future?
For this program or in general?
General.
General, okay. In general, now they rate between 5.875 to 6.5.
Okay. Any predictions? How are things
Um,
going to turn out?
I mean, I don't know if we're gonna go lower than this. I mean,
Right.
honestly, I don't know. Maybe,
Mm.
but we don't know. I mean, definitely
Oh,
the rate is better than before.
okay. And I follow you on your social media, and I saw that you were, uh, to not to my any surprise, in your company, you achieved one of the top 1% earner or producer, member of Circle Champions, a high level promotion for producing, doing a wonderful job, helping many families with a, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, I mean, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. But yeah, I mean, typically every year the company do like, kind of not competition, but they reward the top 1% production. And they award us, like, we went to Norway for like a week. It was really nice a trip, and we got awards, so that was nice. And I really, it's not about award. I love what I'm doing. I really enjoy it, and I love to help families to achieve their American dream. um, and don't take me wrong, especially as immigrant, this is always our dream, okay, to own a house in this country. And I feel like always this is my goal, to help every family to achieve their dream, by being on like a homeowner. And this is would be my goal forever until like I just don't do this job anymore, which is I doubt I will ever stop doing this job. But it's fun to help family. It's really fun. You feel happy when you see people happy and getting their keys, and just it just feels something, like it's just very awarded. The feeling itself is very awarded.
One of the great things that stand out in my view about you is that you are very accessible. You're not limited to 9 to 5. You work on the weekends and holidays. You're so passionate and dedicated about what you do, and I do really appreciate that from you. That you're a hardworking person and very accessible. I appreciate you that. Okay.
Thank you so much, Nasir. Thank you.
Okay. So a little bit side topics. Your favorite food.
My favorite food, oh my God, is kusa warak. I don't know if you know, like the squash and the grapes, and they put rice inside it, and it's really good. Yeah.
Good, good.
And
Okay.
the mansa.
Mansaf. Oh, yes, yes, yes. A place that you would like to wish to go to sometime. I know you travel, but
I
what's
know, I know, I know. We do. Canada. I always want to go Canada.
okay? All right, Canada,
Yeah.
and let's see. So, one. This is my last question that I ask. Uh,
Mhm.
um, Before I get to my last question, if anyone wants to contact you, how do they contact you? Your website, your social media handles, how?
I mean, they can call me directly to my cell phone. My phone number 832-978-2667. So I'm
Mm.
always available. Like I do work during weekends.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
If I didn't answer the phone at the moment, I typically answer within 30 minutes unless something like urgent. Now my phone actually go to my team when I'm during meeting or like busy on the phone. So they always like it's so easy to reach out for us in any way.
One more time, what's that phone number again, please?
832-978-2667.
Other languages than English.
Yes, Spanish too. So Spanish, English, and Arabic. So I speak
Or
Arabic, and I have member in my team speak Spanish. And yeah, I want to add one more thing too. For I-10, the I-10 is qualified for this program. Okay, so they can put 3.5 down payment with this program. So I-10, they don't need to put 20% anymore or 15% anymore. So any I-10 qualify for this program.
when the caller calls you and your office about this program, what do they refer this program to? Do you have a name?
Arrival,
All right, was that
arrival, arrival.
arrival? Okay,
Mhm.
arrival program, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, sounds good. Last question that I ask to all my guests for the interview: what is one piece of advice Amal would like to give to all humans, the humanity, general piece of advice that you
Never
can
give
give?
up.
Never give up.
Yeah, you
Beautiful.
always have to work hard. In the end, you're gonna get what you want. So I work with people like they always like this. Oh, there's no way we're gonna own a house. Like we cannot own a house. It's impossible. Okay. And then we work with them like really step by step. If they have a credit challenge, we work on their credit. If their income, we give them some advice about overtime, maybe extra. So I mean, like you just have to put goal in your life that I want to buy a house or I want to be like this, and then just work toward this goal. You will have challenging, like life is tough, nothing easy, okay, but don't give up. You always have to fight to get what you want in the end, and you will get it.
Amal, it's always wonderful to have you and talk with you and do business with you. You are my go-to loan officer, so knowledgeable. Thank you for coming to our show again with this golden nugget, and we're gonna try to get this um, word out as much as possible in our best ability. Thank you so much, and we'll have you
Thank you so
again.
much. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank
Okay,
you.